Hi, this is Dr. Cerami from Utah Sports and Wellness. We have some pretty amazing stories at our office pretty much every month, but this is a really outstanding story that we have with one of our patients, Kim. And I just wanted to take 2 or 3 minutes and have her explain what her experience was. We've used hyperbaric laser and microcurrent with her recovery, and it's hard sometimes to hold the tears back. We're so excited about this. So I just wanted to introduce Kim and have her tell you what she's experienced here.
Okay, so my story began about 2.5 years ago. I had an episode of strep, and it went bad because of I was hiking for about 26 miles during a period of about 7 days before I got treated for strep. Went bad, turned into an autoimmune disorder that went through neurologists and cardiologists to try and find a solution to the problem. Ended up at the University of Utah, and basically they told me I had chronic fatigue and sent me home with a sleeping pill. I'll get well in 2 to 3 years. So in searching for answers, I found Dr. Cerami. We created a plan with hyperbaric oxygen treatment, cold laser therapy, FSM, and a change in my diet. And I believe it was all 4 of those things that made a difference for me. In some of my symptoms were I would be too weak to feed myself with a spoon, to lift a spoon to my mouth to feed myself. I was in bed for 2 weeks at a time. My heart felt like it was struggling to beat. Basically, all of the muscles in my body were shutting down. My tongue wasn't working right, and I would have slurred speech. My diaphragm felt like it wasn't strong enough to inflate my lungs all the way. And also I had a jerk in my left side that just wouldn't go away. It was like a muscle was not being utilized, and there was a constant jerk in my left side. So anyway, after going through this treatment with Dr. Cerami in 6 weeks, I have full mobility back. I feel like I'm at probably 90%, and I'm at a maintenance level now where I have my life back. And that was just after 6 weeks with Dr. Cerami. So,
well, we're super excited. And some of the backstory that sometimes is left out and people skip is she's an interior designer and a mother of 5 children, and has a husband that has some health issues as well. So we can't take these things out of context. These are all super important things, and they're, how they affect not just her, but everyone around her. So we're very fortunate to be able to have the therapies that we have. We can't, of course, promise dramatic changes on everyone, but we really feel like if people continue to look for answers, some of the things we have are just really life-changing. And it's not only now, it's her future, her family's future, which excites us, and it makes our job unbelievably rewarding. So we really appreciate the opportunity to work with Kim and the time she's taken to help share this with other people. We're hopeful that other people may just investigate a little bit more and see if some of these therapies make sense to them, and if they are, if it does make sense, please give us a call and we'll talk it over with you and see what we can do. So thanks very much for your time.